on where you live, but wherever you live, it's called a neighborhood. But how do you make a neighborhood even better? That's the question that I'm going to answer today. To make a neighborhood better, you can start with planting more trees. Planting more trees reduces air pollution. And with the reduction of air pollution, you can go outside and breathe in fresh air. You should also not use plastic. If you use plastic, it gets thrown into water. And when it gets thrown into water, it'll cause water pollution. So if you want to reduce water pollution, then you should stop using plastic. Our government has separated trash into 3 types: compost, decompost, and recycle. But are we putting our trash in the right bin? Some of us don't, but most of us do. But whoever it is, we should put our trash in the right bin. Have you seen the Marina Beach? It's beautiful, isn't it? But its beauty has been spoiled because everyone has been littering all over it. So do you want Marina's beauty back? If you want its beauty back, then you have to stop littering. Has everyone heard of renewable energy? Those who haven't, renewable energy is clean energy, which is produced by natural sources and processes. It needs to be constantly replenished. The student environmental activist, Greta Thunberg, has taken all of these tips into her own life and fought for the earth and fought against climate change. She asked her own parents to reduce their carbon footprint as much as they can. So if we follow all these tips, just like Greta, then we can also have a better neighborhood. Thank you.